decline into it today, and as expected that we are going to see some higher levels in Bank Nifty, which we have seen, and uh, this is the one that I wanted to show you. This PE has touched yesterday's low and reiterated from there. So this is a 2B pattern for us, and we have just entered at 79 rupees 50 paise with a stop loss of 68 rupees, just 10 rupees stop loss, and I will add more positions once this trend line will be breached up. My same level around 100 levels. Once it breaches up, comes down for retracement, then I will buy. And at the same time, Nifty 12,100 PE, this has also shown a kind of squeeze. Once the prices will start traveling above 47 rupees, I will add more positions. Let this candle uh, get over it first. Uh, Above 47.48 close only, I will just buy once, and I will target towards 58 and 68 rupees. This is what I plan. Because of the volatility, I would prefer to trade only through options instead of trading through instruments. Because if I trade through instruments, if my stop loss get triggered unnecessarily, I will have to pay the taxes heavily. Generally, if you trade Nifty or Bank Nifty, uh, an average 300 rupees we pay as a taxes, though it looks like we pay only 40 rupees brokerage, but it's quite expensive. So it is better on a volatile day, it is to buy what you call options with the levels based on the main instrument, and trade them. Though you might make a bit little, but at least you are safe with the least risk, and you become a bit consistent. As I said, Nifty and Bank Nifty both will be fluctuating, playing around, dingling around the VWAP level. 12,130 was a VWAP level and still is a VWAP level, and plus 15 points 45 level, minus 15 points 15 level. This is what we can expect. Even one more round has to come in that way, in that manner, uh, and from there we will and then we will see the move towards 2 o'clock. So here, if you can see, Bank Nifty tried to reach towards fourth level, but it has not, and again it has started moving down to below the decisive make or break R3 pivot level. And once it will start moving below 939 level and close below it, I don't think the Bank Nifty will have a chance to go up again, because it looks like this is a kind of double top formation for today, and this will resist these prices to go up beyond this. This is 31,050 plus minus 25 points, and if by chance if I will see these prices again out there, I'll try to fade this move. This what my plan is. And for now, my Bank Nifty, which I bought at 79 rupees, has made a high of 100 rupees. So let me try to book. एक बार बुक कर लो भाई, 100 रुपए पे देख लो कितना मिलता है. ठीक. So once I'll enter into a new trade again below 12,106 Nifty, and 30,930 sorry, Bank Nifty close on a 5-minute chart. I will trade, and once I'll trade, I'll keep you updated. For now, only these two positions. That's it. Now we are into trade again on a short side as expected. We entered Nifty at this Nifty put of 12,100 at 48 levels. Now we are going up. My target should be roughly like 77.80 rupees for the day. For now that is 62 rupees. Now we have first target in Nifty towards this level, that is 12,075, and then we have next levels to come. Let us just see them on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame we have this level, that gap filling level. This gap filling level we have almost reached, and we can touch this level as well. Even in Bank Nifty, 650 700 levels is quite likely, so I'm looking forward to that. For now my all puts are into profit. So it has been a nice trade so far. Mm, Only the question is whether we can touch these levels. Yes, we can, quite probably. Now this is the time to book some partial profits. I placed my order at 61.90. Yes, it is gone. It is gone. And I'm short, say around by 15 rupees. Levels were 67 and then 75. In Bank Nifty we still have some more move to come, because as the Nifty has shown some drop, Bank Nifty has not shown any significant drop so far, so it is more likely to catch up. So we are expecting that some more move into Bank Nifty. It's frustrating sometimes. Okay. Now we have completed one cycle of our trade. It means this was the second one, and as you have seen that we have started from 30,993, precisely this level. We added some more positions at 30,934, and now we have concluded one trade out here at 770 rupees level, and now I would keep one more with the stop loss of 883 rupees for a target of 650 rupees. Let us see how does it work, and I'm quite hopeful that it would deliver. Now if you observe this gap from here till here, let me just show you in a different way. uh, this one, this particular one, from here till here, this particular gap is now almost filled today, and on this particular day the VWAP was at around this level, 12,040 level. So if at all we will drop today, it will be towards that level only, and from there we will see a bounce back. And I think that would be the level from where the Nifty should now start moving up substantially, for at least 12,300 plus levels. So I believe that from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we should be witnessing a kind of bounce back, and that is going to be quite substantial in nature, because there are two reasons. The gap is filled even in Bank Nifty also. Uh, we have got some good levels which we have achieved today, and this neckline is now going to be the resistance for some time. But of course, there's going to be quite a lot of activities that we might see 100 points, 200 points plus and minus around this level. But ultimately, the the Nifty or and Bank Nifty both, they are to me likely to uh, destined on a very decisive lower levels. In my other video, I have mentioned and I have tried to project that from top, the Bank Nifty might correct 5,000 points and Nifty might correct 1,500 points. I would try to post these two videos, that particular video as well. It was made on I think 23rd or 24th of January, and you will find it quite insightful. Anytime if you like my videos, please do like it, subscribe it, and do subscribe my Facebook page by the same name, and stay tuned. I like to share more fruitful videos whereby you get an opportunity to make money uh, on a almost on a daily basis. Uh, our philosophy is to trade with a proper stop loss, and the stop loss should be minimum. I pay more attention on the entry because to me, the entry is the only thing that decides your future of the trade in any market. Keep your stop losses minimum, keep your losses and keep your risk as minimum as possible, so that this market doesn't haunt you. Otherwise, this market has much potential to keep you busy on the negative side. And as you have seen, that today we have traded Nifty and Bank Nifty through options because uh, we have a a kind of volatile session in the market. We got both side moves, and of course, at a decisive level, we got an opportunity to go short with a small stop losses. And once the move is convinced, we were there. So this is it for today. As we have seen, Nifty has given and us uh, substantial. This option has given us a substantial amount. We have started from 47 level on the second lot. First lot we have started at 37 level, and we have exited one lot at 62 rupees, and the second is at 80 rupees. So now this trade is over, and even in Bank Nifty also, our all targets are achieved of 170 rupees, and even in Nifty or Bank Nifty option also, we are concluding our trade. Now since it is 3 o'clock, the whole day the instruments have been falling down, and if you see the daily chart, you will come to know that this is the time when the candle, this candle might retrace some a bit, maybe by 15-20 points to give a close. uh, this is what and this is how the candle should look like. As you have seen, both shadows on both sides. Likewise, we might get shadow on these two sides. uh, since this gap is filled today, uh, we might get one more downside tomorrow, and from up, it means from the open price we might see some up move tomorrow. Same thing in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty substantially taking support around 30,767.50 levels. It has not yet breached in last 5 days. So we believe that this will act as a small, it is quite strong support. But to me, as per the price action, theories and price action experiences, more the touches, more it becomes weak. It means this level is turning weak. Next time, when it will, be breached, it will be very difficult for Bank Nifty to overcome that level. As you have seen over here, this was the first lag when this particular level, the neckline was probed in December. Second time again it was proved in January, and now third time it was proved again towards end of January, and ultimately it surrendered. So this is how the the prices, they they become Mario, this old game Mario, where more touches becomes, that makes that particular level more weak. So we are done for the day, and I hope I will come back again on a regular basis to with some quality trades for you, as we have a philosophy of high probability trade, where we have a motive not to give any money to this market. Stay tuned with me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trade Point. Do join my page. Soon I'm going to start my Facebook group as well, where I would invite and I would welcome those traders who are serious and nifty, despite their experience. Thank you very much.